was a tiny, innocent baby, soft, cute, and smelling perfectly normal. I'm going home with my new humans. New place. New smell. Everything is great. Then she appeared, a big, grumpy, floofy cat with judgment in her eyes. I tried to say hi. I look at her. I give her my cutest kitten eyes. She just looked at me like I was a roach in her kibble. I give her a little friendly sniff, maybe even a play boop. Excuse me, I smell like sunshine and baby dreams. Ready to claim my throne.
Okay, that's it. Bring it on. That's my toy. How dare you touch it?
She hissed at me, but I know it's her love language. I know that deep down she adores me. Cherry will never admit it, but she secretly likes me. When I curl up next to her, she pretends she doesn't care, but she doesn't move. It has finally happened. Cherry, my once grumpy hissy sister, has accepted her fate. She didn't just lick me, she groomed me, like you are my family now. I always knew this day would come. How could she resist me?